these responses with us. For the moment, we have breaking news coming in, and this is a big response from the Union Health Ministry. It has sought to assuage the concern of a number of doctors. They're also outlining a series of steps over the security of doctors. They're giving an assurance that all possible measures will be taken to ensure their safety, and the formation of a special panel to suggest measures towards this has also been flagged off by the Union Health Ministry. In light of all this, the Health Ministry has requested all doctors to resume their duty. So this is a big step taken by the Health Ministry. The Health Minister, of course, is JP Nadda, and yesterday the doctors went and submitted a memorandum to him regarding their demands, including central law with provisions that they have tried to specify. The Health Ministry issuing a set of assurances to them and asking them to return to duty, and that their concerns over their safety will be provided a solution, and a panel will also be formed, a committee will be formed that will consult with all stakeholders, and it will set out a series of steps. We have Sabyasachi joining us. We have this letter and the statement by the Health Ministry also open on our screens. Sabyasachi, take us through the Health Ministry's response.
Well, absolutely. See, the Health Ministry has been assuring the protesting doctors that their demands would be met. In fact, a committee would be formed to look specifically the demands that has been coming forward from the doctors who have been protesting across the country. See, majorly one of the demand is that there should be a central law, as the protesting doctors have mentioned, that the existing law that are there in different states are not quite strong. And also they want that the central government should declare the premises of the hospital as a safe zone, and also the police chowki should be inside the hospital premises. So these were some of the demands that has come forward from the doctors who have protesting. Meanwhile, the Health Ministry have assured that all their demands would be met, and a committee specifically have been formed to look into the demands that has been coming forward from the protesting doctors.
So, Sabyasachi sharing details of the Health Ministry's latest action. And Sabyasachi, the Health Ministry, of course, stepping up to the plate, really speaking, in terms of being sensitive to the doctors' needs and requirements. Of course, when the doctors across the country are in the midst of a strike and a bandh, the ministry and the government are not left with many options. But this is something that the doctors have been demanding for some time. In fact, I remember other protests also over the years, when all the doctors were out because one among them had been attacked by the family of a patient or someone else, and in general they have asked for their circumstances to be improved. When is the ministry saying that they will conclude the formation of the panel? By when will they be in a position to set out clear steps and guidelines as to what action they are taking across the country?
Well, Ankita, as of now, the ministry has not cleared it out. They have not set a deadline by when the committee would be formed. But definitely they have given an assurance to the doctors who have been protesting at different medical colleges and hospitals across the country that their demands would be met, and the ministry is working towards it. And that is the reason why the step has been taken from the ministry to constitute a committee that would be looking at the demands that has come forward. The doctors who have been protesting in different locations want a central law for the doctors, for the safety of the doctors. In fact, they want the increase of security personnel for the security of the hospital as well as the doctors. See, these are some of the important points that the protesting doctors have put forward.
Most definitely, Sabyasachi. You know, while you're speaking through your mic, we are getting the ambient sounds of what the doctors are asking for. Their statement about how they want justice is coming across loud and clear, Sabyasachi. So I thank you for joining us with this information. Now,